drew a house with a broken fence on a summer-stained receipt. He said forever's not a word, it's a tense, and kissed me where the sidewalk meets. We burned the map and named the stars, thought luck was on our street. And now you're just a jacket I won't throw away, and a goodbye I learned to sing off-key. I still run the film on the same replay of a crash that never looked like me. If I could trade tomorrow for that cheap perfume, I'd sleep on the floor of my parents' living room. Yeah, you're everywhere, I don't belong these days. Still counting heartbeats like a kid who couldn't stay. You wrote my name in motel dust, and I carved yours in a receipt. Now I hear you laugh in the city's rush, like a song I'm too scared to repeat. We sold our youth for gasoline and drove the wrong way clean. Now you're just a jacket I won't throw away, and a goodbye I learned to sing off-key. I still run the film on the same replay of a crash that never looked like me. If I could trade tomorrow for that cheap perfume, I'd sleep on the floor of my parents' living room. Yeah, you're everywhere, I don't belong these days. Still counting heartbeats like a kid who couldn't stay. The radio still plays that stupid song, the one you lied and said you wrote. I cut my hair, you grew yours long. We both know who choked on the smoke. I don't want your number back, I want your reckless laugh at 3 a.m. I want the boy who never learned to pack before the world taught us to pretend. Do you remember the pier, the rusted chain, your hoodie wrapped around my knees in the rain? You said, promise me you'll never get sane. Now I'm too sane to call you Sometimes I swear I see you in a stranger's cigarette blow, not a ghost, just a version of a life I used to know. But virgins don't have fingerprints and memories don't have a pulse, so I'll leave your name where the sidewalk ends and drive away at the speed of sound.